Okay, so now we can move from chart to tables. You can still use this view. Let me copy this one over the new page, and I generate, in this case, I will generate a table. So again, let me write the main function and then activate the main function in here. Main function in here. And then also I will delete the let us use this one for now. Number of samples, or number of rows in this case. I will generate a table or data frame with 1000 rows. So in this case I will do norm to n, and then this one I will say column A, and the column B will be the unif of n as well, and then column C will be the combination of the two. So I will minus this one with this one. So I will do n minus n. So for the normal function, this one will be 0 all the way, but then for the random function, it will give you the new distribution. Okay, so that's how this thing go. You you cannot draw a table in here because this one is the view. So for charts, so if you want to, you need to use the grid library, grid extra, and then you can use grid table with the GDF. Okay, so but then because the view is very small, and then we have 1000 rows for this table, so normally people will just show the head of the table, not everything. So just show the top columns in top rows in this table, and then this is what you have. Okay, so in here you can see the tables with 3 columns A, B, C. You can change the name as well. So if you change to, for example, AA and BB and then CC, it will change also. Okay, so you can see here. So this is how you generate a table. Later you can load the table as well, but for now I just show you how to generate the tables inside the R script editor here. Okay, so let us move to this the second one, which is to use this table. So instead of using instead of displaying this table, I will show you how to use the table. Okay, so let us copy this one to a new side by side here. And then you can see how they change. So this one, instead of using the main, I will use the get or simulate, or just make. Simulate is a long word, so make data table. Okay, so now I want to use this one in the main function. So I write the main function. You can write on top here also, because at the end of the day, when the function and the last function activation expression here call, and then everybody has to be defined. Okay, so I define the main in here, and then function. I will use the GDF, which is get a make data table, and then that's it. So it means that whenever I call the main function, it will refer to this function. You can see here that the names are the same. And then it will generate the data table in this GDF for me, and then I can do something about it. So GDF and then column AA. Okay, so what it means is I will draw the histogram of the column AA of this GDF function, and then you can see here. Okay, so let us see why it doesn't work in this case. Oh, because in this case, after we generate the table, we have to return the GDF table. And now because we return the table already, so we don't need to draw the table up front anymore. So I will disable the two lines here to make sure that to make sure that we return the table and then we don't display anything. Okay. Mm. So if you want to display the column BB, you can do BB here, and then you can see the uniform distribution because in here you have the uniform RUnit function to generate the uniform. Similarly, CC, you can do this one. This one is a little bit difficult to understand. This one is a Irwin whole distribution because you have the minus or the difference of the two random variables. So it will be triangular Irwin whole distribution. So you can subtract or add more as well, but eventually it will center as 0, and then it will be symmetric distribution, triangular shape from the both sides. Okay, so hopefully after this you understand how to make the data table from inside our script, inside Power BI, and then also how to use the table after you make it.